Hello and welcome to Insider Week. In this video, we're going to discuss the results from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data for week number 29. In week number 29, we had a loss of $21,552. Let's have a look at the trades that produced that result. We started into week 29 with a portfolio that consisted of 3 open positions, namely in cotton, in Japanese yen, and in gold. During the week, we closed the positions in Japanese yen and gold. Let's have a look at each trade individually. First of all, cotton. On the weekly chart, we received buy signals. On the daily chart, we looked for the right timing. We had a couple of re-entry possibilities here and there, and we expect the price to further increase. We tried to catch the right timing in the past. That worked well at some time, but also it worked worse for sometimes. This setup looks profitable and we want to earn money from it. We were stopped out with a loss of minus $10,800 in this market, but we can see that price further increased. As we want to profit from this market, we want to re-enter it. On the weekly chart you can see that a triangle unfolded. Nevertheless, we must be careful. Specifically, we must be careful because of the position of the small speculators. The last time where they reached this level here, the trend was over, as you can see here. And thus we need to be careful and make more active stop management if necessary. Next market, gold. On the weekly chart, you can see that we received a buy signal in harmony with the seasonal trend. Price increased perfectly, but on the daily chart, you can see that we were not lucky in terms of timing. We were stopped out with our first trade, we re-entered, and we were stopped out again. And another re-entry on Friday did not work out because we were not triggered. In total, we made a loss of $13,240. Next market, Japanese yen. On the weekly chart, you can see that price made a bottom. We received many buy signals at the support level, and so we decided to trade it. Beneficial for this decision is the commercials, and as you can see, they are at an important level as well, and furthermore, seasonal trend increases as well. On the daily chart, we received our entry pattern and we were triggered according to the plan. We decided to realize the profits when we saw that the weakness of the market occurred. We made a total profit of $3,918. Now, let's have a look at our second strategy, the so-called champion strategy. We started into the week with 1 open positions, namely in cotton. During the week we closed this position and we opened 2 more positions, namely in heating oil and in sugar. By closing our cotton trade, we made a loss of $1,430. But as you can see, from our open positions, we are very comfortably in the win. Now, let's have a look at CRB index as usual. As you can see, the price is still stable against the seasonal trend, which is a bullish sign. And as a consequence, we expect increasing commodity prices in the future. And as a result, we focus on the long side of the markets and look for long entry opportunities in the next week. That's it from our side this week. This week was a so-called loss week, but still our losses were pretty limited. In the last 8 years, we never had a drawdown of more than 9%. So there's basically no reason to worry at the moment for us. We will continue as usual. We will focus on our strategy and rules and on our risk and money management. And as a result, we wait for our next all-time high on our account. It is basically very important to know your behavior in drawdowns. Did you have drawdowns in the past and how large were they? Write in the comments what you've learned from them. And if you've already below the video, please feel free to subscribe our channel to not miss valuable information about COT trading. For the next week, we wish you all many successful trades, and as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.